Today, I'll show you how to see Street View on Google Maps. If you've ever wanted to take a virtual stroll down a street you've never visited or revisit a favorite place from the comfort of your home, Google Maps Street View is the perfect tool. It's a fantastic way to explore places around the world as if you were actually there, whether you're planning a trip, checking out a new neighborhood, or simply satisfying your wanderlust. This feature is incredibly handy. Let's dive into how you can easily access Street View on Google Maps. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Google Maps has to offer, including Street View. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar map interface. Make sure you're logged into your Google account if you want to save locations or view personalized recommendations, but it's not necessary just for viewing Street View. Next, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice an icon labeled Layers. This is where you can toggle various map features like traffic, transit, and importantly, Street View. Hover your mouse over this Layers icon. A small menu will pop up displaying different options you can add to your map view. In this pop-up menu, you'll see a More option. Go ahead and click on it. This expands the menu further, showing additional features that you can use to enhance your map experience. Clicking More is essential as it reveals the Street View option, among other helpful tools. Now you'll see the Street View option in the expanded list. Click on Street View to activate it. Once you've done this, the map will display blue lines and dots. These indicate where Street View is available. The blue lines are paths you can navigate, while the dots represent specific locations you can jump into directly. To explore a particular area, simply click on any of the blue lines or dots. This will open a panoramic view of the location, allowing you to look around in a full 360-degree perspective. You can use your mouse to click and drag around the scene, or use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move forward, backward, or sideways along the streets. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed Street View on Google Maps. It's a simple process, but incredibly powerful for exploring the world from your computer or mobile device. Remember, you can always return to the map view by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner of the Street View window. This quick tutorial showed you exactly how to see Street View on Google Maps. With these steps, you can explore virtually any place on Earth with just a few clicks. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a curious explorer, or just looking to navigate a new area before visiting, Google Maps Street View is a valuable tool at your disposal. Enjoy exploring the world right from your screen.